what are Zulassungsfreie and Zulassungsbeschränkt courses? Now in German, Zulassung means approval or admission. So Zulassungsfreie courses are unrestricted courses and Zulassungsbeschränkt courses are restricted courses. I completely understand that you might have a question like that because there is no clear explanation of this whole system, at least not under one single link. So I'm going to try and do that, and if you have any questions, just write it down in the comment section of this YouTube video and I will answer you as soon as I get time. Now Zulassungsfreie courses. What are Zulassungsfreie or unrestricted courses? These are the courses in which they have sufficient number of places but there are not enough number of applicants. So they can still accept everybody who has an equivalent bachelor's. What do I mean with equivalent bachelor's? Is that when you apply, they will see, for example, there are a lot of problems. If you do your bachelor's from a Fachhochschule and then you maybe try to apply to a technical university, there are some serious chances that you might not get accepted because the coursework in the Fachhochschule, it's completely different than what you study in the universities. The stuff is more theoretical in the universities, in Fachhochschule it's more practice oriented. Zulassungsfreie courses means that anybody who has an equivalent bachelor's will get an admit there, as soon as the number is not too high. In Zulassungsbeschränkt courses or the restricted courses, they already know that the number of applicants will be way more than the seats they have available. That's why they put this NC. NC is numerous clauses. It is also regulated with two different criteria. One is a national criteria and other is a local criteria. I will put the links in the description so that you can read more about it. So that is that. That means these NC courses, they have a minimum grade. But don't confuse yourself that this is the minimum cutoff that I need to achieve to get an admit there. Even if you go to the RWTH Aachen website, you will see that they have written the NC can vary tremendously from one intake to the other one because the quality of the applications that the university receives, it can vary highly from one intake to the other one. Now to summarize all of it in general. Now Zulassungsfreie courses mean the number of places available is more than the students who are interested in it. Now Zulassungsbeschränkt courses mean that the students who will apply for this course will be way more than the seats that the university has. That means they have to apply some extra assessment criteria. Now what is that? Let's come to the second one. In Zulassungsfreie courses, all you need is your grades, your bachelor grades. You will be ranked accordingly if the number of students exceeded the number of places. In Zulassungsbeschränkt courses, you will not only be judged by your bachelor's grades, you will also need to have a very good SOP, LOR, CV, transcripts. Everything has to be flawless and it has to be really good because all of these, they will carry some significant percentages in your final assessment of the whole criteria. Even in TU Munich, the applicants who have already applied, who have already gone through the procedure, they know that even the letter of motivation, it has a very significant number of percentage in their final assessment score. So this is something you cannot neglect at all. And if you want to have some professional review of it, you can just come to our website and you can apply for it there too. But if you think you're good, you wrote a good SOP, you have a good LOR, then no problem. You can apply directly to it. There is not a big deal. A lot of students do it like that. You can do that too. So this is the major difference of Zulassungsfreie and Zulassungsbeschränkt courses, or the non-NC and the NC courses. Main thing, Zulassungsfreie, awesome. Zulassungsbeschränkt, a lot of work. Zulassungsfreie means you need to have really good bachelor grades. Zulassungsbeschränkt means, well, the competition will be really high, but you will still have a good chance if you have a really good SOP, LOR or CV. I hope this clarifies the issue, and if you have any questions, like I said, write it down in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it, dislike if you don't, and well, I'll see you in the next video. I hope it helps and have a good day. Bye.